one of the most commented Chromebooks of last year is an update this month. Samsung today announced the second generation of its Chromebook Plus, which will include some updates, such as a second camera and a new processor. The Samsung Chromebook Plus V2 does not stray too far from the size and style of the original model that came out in early 2017. The device can still switch between laptop and tablet modes, and comes with a built-in pen that does not require any charge for sketches and note-taking while traveling. The most important change you will see is for the processor, which is changing from an ARM-based chip to an Intel-based one. The original Chromebook Plus used an ARM-based chip to help you run Android applications during the early days of Android support in Chrome OS. He even used a chip specifically chosen by Google for this purpose. The ARM processor was the only feature he really defined between Chromebook Plus and Chromebook Pro, which they announced to each other at the beginning of last year. The Pro introduced the Intel Core processor, a bit more resistant, and this new Plus model will also have an Intel processor, but the lower-end Celeron line. The chip must be faster, although it is possible that it does not run Android applications either.